Hey everyone, Chase Booth here, product manager for the Momentum division at Grand Design, and I am thrilled to reintroduce you to the exclusive Momentum 3-season wall. This is a feature that we introduced at the Tampa show, and it is now live in production on Momentum G-Class fifth wheel and Momentum fifth wheel. It is so cool. This feature actually will allow us to use our coach, earlier in the season and later in the season while keeping that ramp door down, because we're giving you better insulation. We're giving you better privacy. We're giving you better security, which is super cool. I mean, we achieved that by actually bonding a 2-inch wall here. So now your back wall with the ramp down is a wall, but it's so cool because you can still get this huge view. You've got your sliding glass door, you've got your screen door, you've got a lock on the sliding glass door, which is gonna help you with that security. And you also have a lock with a specific key on the overall door, which I'll show you how it functions in a second. So just all the security, but for privacy, even better. When you want to use this room at nighttime, but you don't want anybody seeing what you have going on in here, you know what I mean? You just want some privacy, no big deal. You've got this nice pull down shade here, which goes right back up and away. So again, just a super cool new feature for the Momentum division here at Grand Design RV. In addition, you should see how this thing functions when it opens up. Now you can easily load your toys into the unit or out of the unit. As you see, the space opens up to 80 inches wide and about 90 inches of height. Then when you want to shut it, no big deal. It's just as easy as shutting. Like I said, you have your latch with your locks, no problem over here. You've got this nice clean look. And the other really cool thing is if you're by yourself and you want to load your toy up and you're worried about this thing moving on you, we've got this really nice latch that holds the door in place. So as your ramp's down, you can load your toys or unload your toys, unlatch it, shut it, and now you've got this incredible living space out here with your ramp patio kit and your awning over the top of your room or your space that you have outside of your garage. So again, this 3-season wall is so incredible. It is going to absolutely change the way that these toy hauler garages are used, and we're really excited to introduce it to you on Momentum G-Class fifth wheel and Momentum fifth wheel. For more information, go check out your local dealer or visit us at granddesignrv.com.